Welcome back to The Business Guy, where we decode the mysteries of protecting your wealth. And today, we're embarking on an extraordinary expedition to the Cook Islands, not for sunbathing on pristine beaches, but to unlock the secrets of the legendary asset protection trusts. So ready your maps and compasses. This journey into the heart of asset protection is about to get even more intriguing. And our organization has set up more Cook Islands trusts than anyone in the world. You can get more free information when you visit our website at assetprotectionplanners.com and follow my channel. So imagine this. You've built a successful business, you've got a beautiful family, and life is good. But then out of the blue, you get hit with a lawsuit. Maybe a disgruntled customer, business partner gone bad, or even a slip and fall incident on your property. Keep in mind the attorney suing you doesn't feel any more sorry for you than the pack of lions feels for the baby gazelle. You're just their next meal, and suddenly your dream life is at risk. That's where asset protection comes in. It's like putting on a financial suit of armor, protecting your assets from potential threats. And the Cook Islands Asset Protection Trust is one of the most powerful tools in this arsenal. Okay, now let's take a deep dive into the Cook Islands Trusts. Imagine a fortress so impenetrable that even the fiercest legal warriors hesitate to lay siege. This isn't the stuff of legends, but the reality of the Cook Islands Asset Protection Trust, established underneath the International Asset Protection Trust Act of 1984. These trusts have become the gold standard in asset protection, offering shields against creditors, lawsuits, and even unforeseen legal challenges. But there's more. Cook Islands Trusts also offer a bunch of other benefits. Flexibility. You can still access and enjoy your assets while they're in the trust. Our trustee company law firm simply manages them according to your instructions. Privacy. The trust is also confidential, so your assets are hidden from public view. Estate planning. You can also use your Cook Islands Trust to pass your wealth on to your loved ones in a tax-efficient manner. Now, I'm not saying the Cook Islands Trust is a magic bullet. It's a complex legal tool, and it's not right for everyone. For example, if you're already in a lawsuit, we might recommend other options, such as a Belize Trust or a Nevis Trust. Plus, there are costs involved, so it's crucial to talk with an expert, such as one of our qualified attorneys or consultants, to see if it's the right fit for your specific situation. But hey, knowledge is power, and by understanding asset protection, the Cook Islands Trust option, you can make an informed decision about safeguarding your financial future. So here are some real-world examples and statistics. Did you know that according to a study by the American Bar Association, over 25% of businesses in the United States face a lawsuit every year? That's a sobering statistic, but it highlights the importance of taking steps to protect yourself. And here's a fact. Celebrities, athletes, and even some high-profile politicians use the Cook Islands Trust to protect their assets. So if it's good enough for them, maybe it's worth considering for yourself too. The legal labyrinth. Within the labyrinth of asset protection, Cook Islands Trusts are the Minotaur, guarding your wealth with unmatched ferocity. Their legal framework makes them a stronghold with specific cases like the FTC versus Affordable Media, Branch Banking and Trust, or BBT versus Hamilton Greens LLC, highlighting their effectiveness. In these battles, despite aggressive legal onslaughts, the trust safeguarded assets with the precision of a master chess player, showcasing their strategic prowess in the legal arena. Building your financial bastion. Constructing the Cook Islands Trust is akin to laying the foundation of your personal financial empire. It's not a task for the faint-hearted or a solo endeavor. You'll need counsel of wizards, seasoned attorneys, and financial advisors who can navigate the arcane spells of international law and set up a trust that suits your empire's needs. The price of invincibility. Well, the cost of setting up a Cook Islands Trust is not cheap per se, but is a price worth paying for the crown of financial security. So an investment in such a trust is not merely about spending money. It's about investing in a future where your assets stand firm against the tides of legal uncertainty. Expanded tales of triumph. Let's dive deeper into the annals of asset protection history, where the Cook Islands Trust have turned the tide in favor of the asset holders. The Anderson and Bellinger cases are just the tip of the iceberg. There's also the case of the high-profile business mogul facing a barrage of litigation who found sanctuary for his assets with the Cook Islands Trust, effectively rendering a multi-million-dollar lawsuit fruitless. So these cases underscore the trust's ability to protect not just the assets, but the legacies of those who dare to plan wisely. Okay, now let's take a humorous interlude. Think of asset protection like garlic to a vampire or sunlight to trolls. Cook Islands trusts are the ultimate deterrent, keeping the lawsuit goblins at bay. Remember, it's always better to be the wizard in the tower, safeguarding its treasures, than the knight charging the windmills. Okay, now let's look at it a little more in depth. The mechanics of protection. Diving deeper, the mechanism of Cook Islands Trust is a marvel of legal engineering. When the legal storm clouds gather, the trust acts as a bulwark with statutes that are unyielding as the island's coral reefs. Its non-recognition of foreign judgments means that attacking a Cook Islands trust is akin to attacking a fortress with a spoon, a foolish endeavor that only the most audacious or foolish would undertake. In conclusion, as we navigate back to the shores of our daily lives, let the tales of the Cook Islands Trust inspire you. In the vast ocean of wealth management, these trusts are not just lighthouses, but harbors offering safe passage from the protection of the stormy seas of litigation. So thank you for joining us in this voyage into the heart of asset protection with the Business Guy. If you're considering setting sail towards financial security, may the winds of wisdom guide you to the Cook Islands. Hit like, share, and subscribe. For more free information, visit assetprotectionplanners.com. Until next time, this is the Business Guy.